What's up? In today's video, we are talking about management functions. So let's get started. Previously, there were 5 management functions which were given by Henry Fewell. Those functions were planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. But then everybody realized that commanding and coordinating are the same thing. So they converted both of these, they joined basically both of these into another function called leading. So yeah, in this video we are going to look at each of them a bit in depth and see how it goes and what exactly are they talking about. By the way, this video is a part of my guidebook which you can get with the link in the description box. It's an ebook, it's amazing. I have worked really hard for it and I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy it. First one is planning. In the planning stage, managers establish organizational goals and create a course of action to achieve them. In the planning stage, manager is thinking, okay, so what are we going to do? What exactly do we have to do? They are establishing organizational goals. For example, if you had to go to a picnic, you would plan, you would think, okay, so when are we going? Where are we going? How many people are actually coming with us and what's going to happen? So you are going to think all of these things and these include in your planning. And obviously there will be 1 or 2 people or maybe 5, 6 people who are actually the head or organizers as we call them. Mostly there is 1 or 2 individuals and they are going to plan most of the things. Then comes organizing. Once you have planned everything and you know what needs to be done, you start distributing the resources and delegating tasks to personnel, as in the people who are working under you or working with you, so that the goals that you established in planning stage can be achieved. The purpose of organizing is to distribute the resources and delegate tasks to personnel to achieve the goals established in the planning stage. Now, in organizing, let's take the picnic example. Now they know exactly what needs to be done. Now they are going to say, alright, fine, we need food, we need a place, we know we need this place, and we need transport. They might take a few people who are willing to go to the picnic and ask them, hey, maybe you can arrange this, maybe you can arrange this, and this is your responsibility and all that. What's this? This is organizing. And if they have already collected the money and everything and they know their budget, they will give each of them budget as well. So they are also providing them resources, hey, you take care of food and over here, there you go, this is the money for food. Same way goes, hey, you are going to look after the transport, here is the money for transport, and so on. So this is what? This is organizing. You are telling people, hey, you are going to do this, you are going to do this, and you are going to do this. And what would you do? You would coordinate their work. You would ask them, hey, how's it going? And maybe you would even take 1 or 2 responsibilities as well. Then comes leading. As we have discussed, there is no organization without people. So managers also have to lead people. Leading consists of motivating employees and influencing their behavior to achieve organizational objectives. Leading has everything to do with people. People who are working in the organization or people who are working under the manager and all those people, and working with them, making them work, motivating them and telling them, hey, we gotta do this for achieving our goals or objectives. All of this comes under leading function. Now if we go back to the picnic example, now the organizer might have to face a lot of issues and someone might just come up like, let's say food. They would come up and say, you know what, nobody is agreeing on one menu, what should I do? And then the organizer would go, okay, let me sort this out, let me talk to people. Then he'll try to make them all get one opinion, come to one opinion, one menu, like, yeah, we need fast food, or no, we need some healthy food, or whatever it is. He'll try to make sure that all the parties are happy and it's within our budget, and as well as we get enough food for everyone so that no one is hungry. Next function is controlling. Now you have planned, you have organized, you are leading people along with them, like how's work going, how's everything, and blah blah. You got it all. Now, how do you know whatever you planned if you are working as per that or not? This is where your controlling function comes. Controlling is the process of evaluating the execution of the plan and making adjustments to ensure that the organizational goal is achieved. Controlling is what you are evaluating. You are evaluating if things are going right, if there is any, if we have hit any bump, or are we in a situation, are we in a mess, is there any argument going on, or are things all right, do we need anything? And if there is some situation, you have to make sure that you are making adjustments to it as per the situation and as well as per your organizational goals. If we take the picnic example, now the organizer has delegated the task, as we said in the organizing thing. Now what is he going to do? Now he is going to make sure that everybody is working as per the deadline. Let's say he won't just wake up in the morning of the picnic day and go, hey, have you guys arranged everything? And they are like, no. Oh no, we got some situation. Oh, we got some issue. So organizer is not going to do that. He is going to stay in contact with everyone throughout the working of the picnic, and he is going to ask them, hey, are you guys all good? Do you need anything? Do we have any situations? Are we good? Are we on the plan? Are we on the timeline? And obviously a picnic is a much smaller event and you don't get that many issues. However, when it comes to a manager and managing an organization and getting your goals and stuff, it could be a lot more complex. But yeah, those are 4 functions of management. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, do subscribe, and make sure to get my guidebook. Like, it is good, trust me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.